Hello, so today we are going to see how to earn money from Wix.com. So here you can see I'm on Wix.com and they have a really nice platform making websites, and they allow you to have all the tools that are required to build a perfectly fascinating website using ads and all the other informative medias that you might want to use. So let me show you around. So here you can see there are lots of features. So we'll go to the business tab and then we'll go to the e-commerce platform. So here is the online store. So what happens is we can just sell online with a professional online store, launch, run and scale your online store with our industry leading e-commerce website builders and advanced business features. So you can watch the video here to make sure that you understand all of it. And how it works is you make a website for free. You might have to buy a domain for probably $12 a month and then renew it. But all it does is have a professional domain increases your SEO, that is search engine optimization, and you can earn relatively good amount of link conversions that will happen through the internet, and your products will get sold very easily. Also, you can connect Google AdSense to it, which is a feature which has been integrated inside the Wix.com platform, and that will also help you to earn loads of things. So let's look at the features. Accessory stores, electronic store, beauty store, home decor store, coffee subscription store. So you can see there are lots of features and lots of designs available already. So these are pre-made and pre-built designs which will help you to figure out how to basically do the stuff. And there is coffee subscription store as well. So fashion boutique for those who are really fancy about fashion. So these are the steps which you need to follow. Log into your account to sign up, choose some 500 plus professional online store templates, and then you can finally create your own store.